All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you 8 really cool things you can do with the Monocle Chrome extension by Massview and how these can help you grow your Amazon business, find new products to sell, optimize your listings, get reviews, and do a ton of other really cool stuff. Let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to try to hit these as fast as possible. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you're signed in right here. Go ahead and make sure you're signed in when you install the Chrome extension in from the Chrome Web Store. And the first thing is the sales estimator. So whenever you're on any type of search result page, you can just click on the sales estimator and you're going to get the sales estimate for all of the products on that page. A lot of other companies do this as well, but I thought I would show it really quick. So the next thing that's pretty cool and I think somewhat unique is our keyword data. So basically, whatever keyword you search, you can just type, like if, for example, water bottle, or if you want to change it, it's going to put those in there. And then you can sort this by all kinds of different things like the relevance, the search volume, competing products, and you can add in all kinds of really cool stuff like the top 3 review count, page 1 review count, the peak month, the revenue estimate, and all kinds of other really cool data right here. And you can have that right here in the search results, and then you can filter this out. So you can say, you know what, show me keywords that have at least 5,000 searches a month and where the review count is less than 2,000 or something like that, and apply. And then it's going to filter those results for you, which not a lot for that niche, but that's pretty cool too, I think. And the next thing that is cool is our market share report. Okay, so when you do this, it takes all the products that you have, it generates a market share report, basically sorting these things by brand and taking the brands that have the most sales and then putting it into a market share report. Now you can actually take these products, you can move them around if you want to switch them into the different reports and things like that, which is really cool. And you can change the names of these reports. You can delete some of these if you want to get rid of some of these segments. You can combine them together, do whatever you want like that. And then whenever you're done, you just click Save Report, and then that's going to actually create a market share thing inside the Massview app for you to be able to see all the brands in your space and see how you're performing against the other brands and how you're growing and stuff like that, which is very powerful stuff. This is only available on our Pro plan, but it is this is like a really easy way to build these reports right here in the Chrome extension. All right, next is going to be competitor insight. So this is where we actually will pull all the keywords from a competitor, a specific ASIN, and show you where those are ranking as well. So we can see that, like, for example, this product ranks number 2 for this keyword, number 1 for this keyword. You can sort by rank. You can add in all the same columns that you would add in the deep words view. So the revenue, the reviews, all this stuff, and you can export all these keywords and use them for your PPC or listing optimization or whatnot. All right, let's keep moving. So then another really cool one is going to be our FBA calculator. So on any product, you just click calculate fees, and it's going to have the dimensions of the product, the weight, the shipping weight, the size, the price, how long you're going to store it, all these things, your unit manufacturing costs. Of course, you would change this once you go and source the product, but basically it's going to give you your breakdown of how much money you're going to net out. So for example, for this product, if you're able to source it for $3, and then also if it's going to cost you 67 cents to get into Amazon, then your net is going to be $5.30 during Q4, and the rest of the year you're going to net out $5.50, which means you'd make $45,000 a month profit in Q4 or $47,000 a month in Q1 through 3. This is your revenue estimate. Here is your margin and your ROI right here. So this makes it really easy to evaluate any new product and see what type of sales you're doing and stuff like that. So that's really cool. All right, let's keep going. So next is going to be the review autoplay. This is going to be the thing that allows you to request reviews for all of your orders. Whenever you log into Seller Central and go to your orders page, this will automatically start running for you. So all you have to do is log into Seller Central, go to manage orders, and this will start running for you. If you don't have it set up, you just click I want all the reviews, choose when you want to request, and bam, it's going to kick off and run every time you log in. We're almost done, just got 2 more to show you, but these are some of my favorite ones. So this one is our listing optimization tool. So what you're going to do here is go to any listing that you want to edit in Amazon. In this case, I'm looking at this cape right here. Make sure that the actual product name and title and everything is actually copied in. Sometimes if you're suggesting edits, then it's not going to copy it in. So make sure that everything's filled out with the title and the description and the keywords and all that stuff. And then you're just gonna click listing optimization right here, type in whatever keyword you wanna get keywords for. I went ahead and typed in cape to make this faster, and then just start selecting all the keywords that you want. And obviously we have a lot more. You can add all the filters and everything right here. Click continue. And then this will go ahead and show you which keywords are showing up in the thing. So like, for example, let me do cape adult here. And let me just type that in, bam, whoops. Control V. And now it's showing that cape adult is showing up in here. We have cape in there twice. Capes is not showing up, so I can put that in here as well. And then you're gonna see that showing up. So a couple things about this. If you're on strict search, the actual phrase has to show up. So like cape adult has to show up, hooded cape has to show up. If you turn it on to if you turn off strict search, then as long as those two words show up in the listing somewhere, then it's going to work no matter what. If you need more keywords, then you can just go back to search and you can add more keywords in there and be like, yeah, I want to do vampire capes, barber capes, superhero capes, whatever cape word you want, right? Add it in there, and now you're going to get more of those keywords in there. You do have to give it a minute to load, so it loads up all of the things. But once it loads up, then you can go to work editing and fixing your listing to make sure that you have all of the best keywords right there in your listing for you. That's it. Thanks so much for watching this video on the Chrome extension. We're really excited for you to use it, and let us know if you have any questions or if you need any help or if you have any features that you'd like us to add. Thanks again for watching.